So I'm going on a trip very, very soon, and I can only bring carry-on. I can't bring anything more than that. So I figured today would be fun to do like a trial run of what I'm all gonna pack. That way I'm not panicking last minute and running around like a chicken with my head cut off. Let's go grab my suitcase. We found it! Okay, here she is in all her glory. The suitcase in question is from a brand called Level 8. This is their 20-inch carry-on. The wheels also turn 360 degrees. I kind of love it. I was going for a little ride on my suitcase earlier, and I did actually put a little dent in our wall. So sorry, Mason. But you know what? He actually doesn't watch my videos anyway, so he'll never know. With the trips that I'm going on this summer, I am doing 2 plane trips, 1 road trip, and I'm not bringing anything bigger than a carry-on for any of those. Number 1, I have a tiny vehicle, so I cannot fit a lot of stuff, and we're stopping at IKEA, so I need to make room for my IKEA stuff. Number 2, planes cost more money if you bring checked luggage, so we're not doing that. We're doing carry-on only. I also have a discount code that I'm forgetting right now, but it'll be on the screen here, and it'll also be in the description below. First things first about the suitcase, you got 2 handles, so it's great for carrying on either side. You can do your squats with it. Right now, it is empty. You got your two pockets, the breathability, all the things. On this trip that I'm going on, the first one, I have no idea what exactly we're gonna do. We're gonna go shopping, we're gonna go out, we're gonna spend some money. I feel like I need to have a variety of outfits. I'm going for casual outfits, dressy outfits, and like athleisure, because the friend that I'm going with is the girl who I go to the gym with in the mornings. So I just feel like it's only right if we bring some athletic wear, even if we do nothing athletic. Let's go grab some clothes. What I'm thinking is just grab a variety, you know, and then we'll see downstairs if I need to bring all of it. I probably will. I have been obsessed with this dress I just picked up from Winners, so I'm definitely bringing it. I feel like this could be very cute for like walking around outside or dinner. I just really want to wear this dress. I think this is just one that I'm for sure bringing. I'm also going to take it off the hanger because I don't feel like bringing the hanger downstairs. I think this might be the only like dressy dress I'm going to bring. I don't think I'm going to bring a ton else. And then I want a pair of thicker heels. I have a lot of thin-toed heels, but last time we went to Edmonton, I bought a new pair of shoes. My feet were killing me. I was walking downtown and it was horrible, and I will never be doing that again. Let me look for some more stuff. You know what? I'm just gonna grab like a mixture of stuff, and I'll just meet you guys back downstairs because it's kind of boring watching me just pick out clothes that I'm gonna wear when I'm already gonna show them to you after. All of a sudden it got dark in here, so I will just shed some more light on here. This is probably my favorite dress I've ever owned now. We need to keep her in mint condition, okay? Mint. Put that there for now. I'm gonna do open toe heels, and then I'm gonna be wearing runners when I go somewhere. I'm gonna bring this little black dress that you guys would have seen in my shopping in Edmonton video last time I was there. I love it. It's just a classic. I've worn it a few times out when I'm out with my friends, and I just feel like it works for literally every occasion. I don't feel like we're gonna do so many things that require a dress, so I'm only gonna bring those 2. I'm gonna keep it casual, nothing too crazy. Got some of this stuff. And these. I'm pretty sure that these are all the clothes that I'm gonna need for the weekend, honestly, but I'm in a city. If I need something, I can probably go and buy it. I have my pajamas. It's like sweatpants and a sports bra, just the ultimate combo. You're never too hot, you're never too cold. It's great. The next thing is some bathing suits. Those are just self-explanatory. I'm gonna go swimming. Hopefully we find a hotel with a hot tub. Next, we just have this white bodysuit from American Eagle. Super nice, high neck, looks good on me, but what doesn't? Self-confidence. And then I also have this little athletic wear tank top. It can be casual wear, pajamas, or active wear. It can really do it all. The next thing that we have is a little denim skirt. Why? Because I just feel like I'm gonna use one. I'm just gonna need one. And then a black denim jacket is what I'm gonna take with me. I might actually wear this while we're traveling just because it is a little bit heavier and I don't know if it's gonna fit in my suitcase a ton. And then I also brought just a regular pair of blue jeans. The athletic shorts that I would probably bring are the ones that I'm wearing. They're adorable, honestly, and I'm not gonna take them off for the video because I'm very comfortable. So they will probably be in the suitcase. We need to pack this in a way that it's not just all clothes because I have more stuff than just clothes. I almost forgot something. 1 second. You guys, I forgot. This suitcase actually came with some packing cubes, and I'm pretty sure these are compression cubes. So they are compression cubes because I just did not open it. I just decompressed it. So I think I'm actually going to separate some of my clothes and stuff because basically I just don't want my really pretty dresses to get dirty. In this big one, I'm going to put my 2 dresses. Everything I just neatly put in there. I'm just going to reorganize. So I'm going to put the black one in first, right in the bottom there. And then This gorgeous white one. Honestly, I could probably fit something else in here, but I won't. I'm just gonna do just the two, give them their own special capsule, and then I'm going to decompress. Or decompress? Compress? Compress? I don't know what the word is. It's something. So now they are all compressed together, the two dresses, and we are gonna put it just in this suitcase. And since this is actually also level 8, so it does fit quite snugly in there. Bathing suits wise, I'm actually just gonna stuff in one of these little pouches because they don't need their own bag right now. They'll just exist. Sweatpants. I'm gonna fold my sweatpants, put them right beside that compression bag. And I'm gonna put my pajama top up here as well. Awesome. Jeans, I'm gonna put on the bottom of the other side just so I'm like weighing it out equally. I don't know if that's a thing, but it's a thing to me. Maybe I'll just stack all the denim on one side. Denim skirt, denim jacket. Let's just see if I can pack everything in one. I'm gonna try packing the jacket in there. Even though I'm probably gonna wear it on the journey, why not? One thing I've learned is you really cannot bulk up all your items. Like you actually have to kind of lay it flat in your suitcase. Otherwise, she's not gonna fit anything. And then these things, these two little pieces, I'm gonna put on the other side again. Awesome. So all my clothes are in there, you know? Anything extra that I buy is gonna go into a separate bag and just come back with me in the vehicle. Now, we have the rest of these compression bags. And you're like, Brittany, what else do we need to bring besides clothes? A lot. We need all of our toiletries, which I'll go and grab. I need my makeup, which I'll go and grab. And then I need extras, stuff that I will just take along that'll make me feel good on this trip. Oops. First off, we have my toiletries. Starting off strong. My shampoo and conditioner. We are gonna put these bad boys in a plastic bag. You wanna know why? Because I have had it before where they have leaked and it's been awful. It's not a good time. So they go in a plastic bag and they are safe and secure. And I'm gonna put them in this like tiny little compression kit. Oh, dang it. Every time I unzip it, I unzip the compression part. I feel like I can't say compression. It just trips me up. So I'm gonna put them in here. There's room for some other stuff. I'm also gonna put my aerosol deodorant in there. Once again, my first trip that I'm taking is a road trip, so I can bring aerosol. When I go on one of my plane road trips, I'm probably not even gonna use I'm gonna use deodorant. I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna use it, but I'm gonna buy it once I get there from like Dollarama or something because I don't feel like traveling with it. And then I'm also gonna shove in just my daily moisturizer by First Aid Beauty because this bad boy can fit a lot of stuff, let me tell you. The rest I will leave in a different bag. Compress it. Yeah, she's getting compressed. So put those there. This I'm gonna stack on top of my pajamas. You guys, this looks so organized with these little compression things. I'm gonna try zipping that up. Okay, there's a little bit of like room in there. So if I really needed to stuff it together, I could. The next things that we have are some of my other toiletries. I just carried them down in this bag. I have my Paula's Choice exfoliator thing. I have my Crest 3D white toothpaste that is literally on its last legs. I squeeze out every drop in this bad boy. I have both halves of my toothbrush, which I have started breaking recently, but that's fine. I'm starting to get a little sunburnt. So I have my After Sun and I have my SPF 60. The SPF 60 I really only use on my face and neck. The rest I use SPF 30, but I'm not bringing that along for some reason because I just don't feel like it. So all of these I'm going to put into another small bag. I think this one's smaller than the last one. Dang it, I opened the compressed part again. Tuck everything away in there. Make sure nothing's gonna leak. Get rid of the Redken bag because we don't need it. We have our compression bags. These are nice. Actually, you know what else I'm gonna put in here? I'm also gonna put my glasses case in here. It has my glasses in it. And normally I'd put my contact stuff in there, but I actually don't know where it is. So that will be me scrambling last minute to find all of my stuff that I use every day. And that's just how it is when you're traveling, you know? Life is a mess. I'm gonna grab my makeup case and we're gonna stack my makeup case up here. I already have all of my makeup packaged, so you're not gonna see me packing it because I feel like we've been through this enough times with my like what's in my bag, that kind of stuff. You guys know how much makeup I wear. You know what I bring, right? Right. And if you don't know, watch one of my other videos. It's pretty cool. So my makeup bag looks like this. I'm gonna actually leave it open a little bit just so it can kind of like decompress. What else do I need? What else do I need? I have makeup, toiletries, clothing. I will also pack like all my undergarments and stuff. I'm not showing that on camera because that's just weird, you guys. I know. You're like, Brittany, we wanna see everything. No, you don't. You don't wanna see everything. I don't want you to see everything. Okay, now we need like bits and bobs, you know, stuff that just like makes the whole trip happen. A belt. This belt is my favorite one. It is from Dynamite. It is this gorgeous brown color. It makes me feel like I'm living in luxury. I'm gonna place that right beside my makeup kit, you know, just right down here. It's gonna be perfect. And then the highlight of the show is my handy dandy wrist brace that I've started sleeping with. If you guys don't know, I am a hairdresser full time. My 9 to 5 life. One of the things about being a hairdresser is you might experience something called carpal tunnel. And that happens when you bend your wrist too much in the same movement. It just ends up getting really achy, really sore. So I got this wrist brace. It's been helping and I wear it at night. We're gonna pack that too because she needs it. She needs the wrist brace. I'm like, I don't even know if I can shove these shoes in here. Okay, I'm gonna try shoving these shoes like here just to see if they'll fit. And then we just push this down. Oh, we did it. Oh, that is so heavy. Clothes, toiletries, etc. in there. And then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna bring in the car with me. Okay, this is what I'm gonna bring in the car with me. So right now I'm reading Glint in the Plated Prisoner series. I just barely started the series like literally yesterday. And this is the book that I would be continuing on if we were leaving literally right now. She's coming with me. And then I'm gonna bring my purse, and what I have in my purse is even a surprise to me because I have not looked in this in a little bit. I got my wallet, classic. People call this my mom wallet. I'm not a mother. I'm a mother of a cat, but this is my wallet. I have my Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume in there because I do not want it to leak anywhere in my suitcase as well. Not just from all my clothing in there, but I literally love that perfume, so I don't want to lose it. I got some hair stuff. Like I have so many clips and stuff in here. I have a comb in here, another scrunchie, a lip balm. I have a nice little pair of gold hoop earrings in here. This is literally like a what's in my bag and travel with me all in one. And then I just have a bunch of coins and some like garbage crap. Honestly, we're winning. Yeah. This is all my stuff that I bring. I'm excited to travel. I feel like I'm just ready to go. The world is beckoning me and I am answering. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and maybe consider subscribing if you guys want to hang out again. Now my question is, are you guys going on any trips this summer? Do you think there's somewhere that I should be going? Like definitely let me know. You know, the world is my oyster, whatever that means. I've sometimes kind of wondered what that means because like I don't live by the ocean. I don't have an oyster, you know? What is an oyster? I know what it is, but like, what does that signify? I don't know. Thank you guys for packing with me. Until the next time, have a great day.